The tech industry is currently holding its breath, and for the first time in years, the focus has shifted entirely away from the Pro lineup and straight toward the device that defines the middle ground. We're talking about the iPad 12th generation, a device that has been shrouded in layers of speculation, supply chain leaks, and internal shifts within Apple's design philosophy. If you have been waiting for the moment when Apple finally closes the gap between the entry-level experience and the professional tier, this is the year, and this is the device that changes everything. We're going to deconstruct exactly what is coming, why the hardware design is undergoing its most radical transformation since the 2018 iPad Pro, and why this specific model is poised to cannibalize the sales of tablets that cost twice as much. The rumors coming out of the Asian supply chain have been incredibly consistent, painting a picture of a device that finally drops the legacy aesthetics we have been stuck with for nearly a decade. For years, the base model iPad has been the safe choice, the reliable workhorse, but it has always felt like a second-class citizen in the Apple ecosystem. That changes with the 12th generation. We are looking at a display panel that is rumored to adopt a refined laminated process, finally eliminating the hollow gap between the glass and the digitizer that has been a point of contention for enthusiasts for too long. Imagine a screen that feels as though your finger is touching the pixels directly, combined with a display refresh rate architecture that Apple has been heavily testing in their internal labs to ensure it doesn't cannibalize the promotion technology reserved for higher-end tiers. When we talk about the internal architecture, we aren't just talking about a minor processor bump. The integration of the latest chipsets, designed specifically to handle on-device AI tasks, means this iPad is being positioned as a standalone computing platform rather than just a media consumption slate. Think about the way you use your devices today. You aren't just streaming content or browsing. You are managing documents, editing photos, and perhaps even running basic coding environments. The 12th Gen is designed to be the first base model iPad that doesn't stutter when you push it to its limits. This is because Apple is moving toward a unified memory architecture that is significantly more efficient than what we saw in the 10th or 11th generations, allowing the OS to manage background processes with a level of fluidity that was previously impossible. Let's talk about the design language, which is perhaps the most debated aspect of the upcoming release. Reliable sources indicate that Apple is moving away from the rounded edges and focusing on a more industrial, squared-off chassis that feels more ergonomic during long sessions of use. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about structural integrity. By utilizing a new, lightweight recycled aluminum alloy, the engineers have managed to shave off significant weight without sacrificing durability. This makes the device feel significantly more premium in the hand, moving it firmly into the territory of high-end consumer electronics. Furthermore, the placement of the front-facing camera has been moved to the landscape position, a change that seems small on paper but fundamentally shifts how you conduct video calls and participate in virtual meetings, making this the ultimate machine for remote work and digital nomadism.